Hi everybody, this is Ms. Heather from the counseling office with a quick tutorial regarding a very short homework assignment to get you logged on to Maya Learning and practicing one functionality of loading up a document and sharing it with Mr. Lally and Ms. Heather. So you're going to need to bookmark this page, www.mayalearning.com. This is where we're going to be logging into a lot. Please go to this home page and go in the upper right hand corner and click the sign in button. You'll be led to this kind of opening box, and please sign in with your Google account. You have not been assigned kind of a unique password, but it is going to be tied to your Gmail, your name at student.nido.cl email, and should enable you to use Maya with your Google credentials. So please sign in with Google. Once you do that, you can begin to cruise around, but for this purposes of this assignment, come over to the left-hand side navigation bar, find Maya Drive, open that, and My Drive. Sounds familiar? It's going to act like Google Drive for us in the university process to share documents. Please head over here to the blue New button and upload file. Go online somehow, somewhere, find an image to you that represents what your dream university is today. There's no right or wrong answer. Drag and drop the file here in this box and click the upload button. Then I'd like for you to share the university image with us. One more practice step. You'll now see on your Maya Drive dashboard that you have now a file available. If you head over here to the right-hand side and hover over the silhouette, that will allow you to click and share the image. If you then a list of recipients should pop up that you can radio button. Please choose Mr. Lally and Miss Heather and click the share button. So that's it. You've logged on. Congratulations. You've uploaded a dream university image that allows us to get a little sense of what's going on. Please see Miss Heather, Mr. Lally, or Miss Ale in the high school counseling office if you have any trouble logging on. Thanks for completing this quick homework assignment to launch the university process.